The iPad has always been a device caught between two worlds. For some, it's just a glorified Netflix machine. For others, it's a canvas for digital masterpieces. But for Apple, the iPad has always been a prophecy. A vision of a future where the computer is just a piece of glass that can become anything you need it to be. For 12 years, we've watched this evolution. We've seen the transition from the home button to Face ID, from Lightning to USB-C, and from mobile chips to the terrifying power of the M-series silicon. But now, we are standing at the edge of the most important update in the history of the standard iPad. This is the iPad 12th generation, and it is about to destroy every preconceived notion you have about what an entry-level tablet can do. In the United States, the iPad isn't just a product, it's a staple. It's in our schools, our cockpits, our hospitals, and our studios. But the standard iPad has often felt like the forgotten sibling, stuck with older designs and hand-me-down processors while the Pro and Air models took all the glory. That ends now. The rumors coming out of Cupertino suggest that Apple is no longer content with the iPad being good enough. They want it to be unbeatable. They are preparing to inject the iPad 12 with technology that was considered pro only 12 months ago. Let's talk about the heart of the machine, the silicon. We are looking at the jump to the A17 Pro, or potentially a specialized version of the M2 chip. Why does this matter for the average person? Because we are entering the era of Apple Intelligence. The US market is currently obsessed with local AI processing. We don't want our data sent to a cloud. We want it processed on device. The iPad 12 is being designed as the most affordable gateway to Apple's AI future. Imagine an iPad that doesn't just run apps, but understands your workflow. An iPad that can summarize your lectures, edit your photos with generative fill, and act as a real-time personal assistant. All for under $500. This isn't just a spec bump. This is a brain transplant. But a powerful brain needs a beautiful face. The display on the iPad 12 is rumored to be undergoing its most significant shift yet. While the Pro models have moved to tandem OLED, the standard iPad is expected to adopt a new form of high-brightness, low-power liquid retina technology. Apple is working to eliminate the air gap even further, making it feel like you are touching the pixels themselves. For the students in New York and the commuters in Chicago, this means a screen that is finally legible in direct sunlight and responsive enough for the most delicate Apple Pencil strokes. And speaking of the Apple Pencil, this is where things get controversial. The iPad 12 is expected to fully embrace the Apple Pencil Pro features. We are talking about squeeze gestures and haptic feedback on the most affordable iPad in the lineup. Apple realizes that the creative economy in America is booming. From TikTok editors to Etsy shop owners, everyone needs a precision tool. By bringing pro-level stylus support to the base iPad, Apple isn't just selling a tablet. They are selling a career starter kit. But let's address the elephant in the room: the design. For years, the iPad looked the same. Then the 10th Gen gave us colors and flat edges. The 12th Gen is rumored to take this even further, borrowing the ultra-thin bezel language of the iPad Air. It's about thinnovation. Apple wants this device to feel like a sheet of paper. They are obsessed with the weight-to-power ratio.